Week 21, Thursday, Daily Language Corrections. All right, so number 1 wants to know what is the direct object of this sentence. The sentence reads, Grandma bought Whitney a puzzle with over 1,000 pieces. So when we're looking for the direct object, we look at the subject and the verb. So Grandma bought. Grandma's my subject, bought is my verb. So what did Grandma buy? Or Grandma bought what? Puzzle. So puzzle would be our direct object. Okay, number 2. Where is someone who sees the following? Sentence reads, the captains met at midfield for the coin toss before the kickoff. So if there are captains on a team and they're meeting in the middle of the field for a coin toss before a kickoff, that could be a football game or a soccer game. So where is someone who sees the following? They're going to see this. They're possibly at a football game or at a soccer game. All right, number 3 and 4, we're going to correct these sentences. 3 reads, Sydney asked, will we see sharks at Ocean World? So this is a quote. Sydney is asking. We have to capitalize Sydney for 2 reasons. It's the first word in the sentence, and it's a person's name or a proper noun. All right, so Sydney asked, comma. We begin our quote with quotation marks. We capitalize will because it's the first word in our quote. Will we see? See here is not S-E-A like the ocean. It's see with your eyes. So it would be S-E-E. All right. Sharks and at are correct. Ocean World is spelled correctly, but we need to capitalize Ocean World because it's the name of a specific place or it's a proper noun. Comma at the end, then you're in your quotations or quotation mark with quotation marks. Number 4, the sentence reads, after school, I saw Peter who asked, can you stop by my house? So we begin with after school. Okay, we need to capitalize after. It's the first word in the sentence. We need a comma there because that's an introductory phrase. Or you could say it begins with a prepositional phrase. That's another way of looking at that. Right? Comma, I saw Peter. I'm going to capitalize Peter. It's the person's name, proper noun. Put a comma. Who asked, comma. Begin my quotes. Okay, quotation marks. Capitalize can. It's the beginning of my quote. Can you stop by my house? Question mark. Then you end your quote with quotation marks. All right. Remember, after school, comma, I saw Peter, comma, who asked, comma. There are 3 commas there. Make sure you have all 3 of those. And number 5, write the root or base word. Okay, our word, number 5 is contradiction. The root or base word is diction. If you want to figure out what this means, the word contra, or the prefix, I should say contra, means opposite or against. So if you have a contradiction, okay, you're speaking or you're offering an opposite opinion to someone. So if they give your opinion, you have the opposite. You have a contradiction. Okay, week 21, Thursday, daily language corrections.